I'm Neky Special and I produce Lead Tombrown for 6 months plus babies and breastfeeding mothers that want to improve the nutrition and the production of their breast milk. Today makes Lead Tombrown 1 year old. So we are celebrating Lead Tombrown at 1. And to mark this event, this channel was birthed today, being 24th January 2022. So you are welcome to Inspiring Mothers with Neky Special. I strongly believe that you can truly be happy when you see yourself doing the things you actually want to do, because that will lead you to becoming all that you want to be as a young wife or as a mother. So in this channel, I'll be releasing videos that will inspire and provoke actions in you to live out the life that you want to become all that you want to be as a mother. So if you love to see videos like this, you love to be inspired and be provoked into actions, then do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified once I drop a video. Also, I will be doing trainings and tips that will help you as a mother to feed your baby properly, especially babies that are very resentful to food. If your baby is refusing to eat, I'll be releasing videos that will help you overcome all the challenges around feeding your baby healthily. Alright, so you're welcome to Inspiring Mothers, Young Mothers with Neky Special once again. See you in my next video.